Alright friends, let's get started on operators, JavaScript operators. Okay, in this video I'm going to show the plus, minus, multiplication, how these all come into play and how you can organize them and how you can use them as algebraic expressions in JavaScript. Okay, let's begin with doc type. Let me get my caps on. Alright, doc type, caps off, HTML, body, and H1. Always try to explain what we're doing in a program. It's a good idea to write down JavaScript operators. Okay, let's just begin with this tutorial, and we're going to build progressively as we go towards other videos in this series, JavaScript operators. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, and then calculate. This is what we're going to do. Z is equal to x plus y, okay, and display z, right? It's not a very tall order, very easy to do in JavaScript. All right, this is the basics. Believe me, we're still at the basics. P paragraph ID is equal to demo. Okay, when you go on to professional programming, you will no longer need the word demo. Then you would have something more descriptive to identify which ID you're calling and why you're calling it at a certain place. All right, then let's open the script tag here and then write, declare your variables var x is equal to 5, semicolon, to indicate the end of statement. Var y is equal to 2, end of statement. Var z is equal to x plus y, semicolon. Document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to, what are we trying to find out? Z. And then close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag, and finally let's save it as operator. Okay, and I want to save it as all files.html. all right, save it. Let's open up this program here. It's called operators. Oh, okay, where are you? There you go. Okay, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, calculate, z is equal to x plus y, and display z. So this is what the algebraic expression, x is equal to y, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, calculate, z is equal to x plus y, and display z. This is what it looks like. So it calculates and it displays z, which is 5 plus 2, which is 7. All right, when we're dealing with operators, we want to know what kind of operators we have available to us in JavaScript, and for that purpose I have this table that I need to explain. What's an operator? Operator is something that tells the JavaScript what to do. Okay, whether you need to add, subtract, multiply, divide, modulus, increment, or decrement. So these are the arithmetic operators that are used to perform arithmetic on numbers, literals, or variables. So you're supposed to be using these in JavaScript. In the example here that we talked about, we were using the plus operator. Okay, so x plus y is equal to z, and z is equal to, the value of x is 5, the value of y is 2, and the plus operator would add all of these, add these two numbers to yield z, and it would display z. Okay, so that is something that you just learned. JavaScript operators we did. This is addition. Okay, and supposing I want to do multiplication. Let's do a program that's based on multiplication. Alright, in order to do multiplication, I'm just going to make a few changes here. I'm just going to change this to multiplication, and we are going to do x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, calculate z, which is x times y, and display z. Okay, so here the variable z is equal to x times y. I think that's about it. These are the only changes that you need to make. And we're going to go ahead and save this file as operator2, file, save as operators2, and also save it as HTML. .html, save, and let's try to run this program, operators2, and the answer is 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay, very simple. Alright, there is something else that I want to show you in JavaScript. You have assignment operators. What do they look like? Okay, JavaScript assignment operators assign values to JavaScript variables. Okay, you have an is equals to sign. Remember, the assignment operator equals to sign assigns a value to a variable, just like we did here. Equals to, okay, you have to get the value. Equals to, z is equal to x times y. Okay, all of these equals to sign assigns a value to the operator, to the variable. Plus equals to, example is x plus equals to y, okay, which is same as x is equal to x plus y, right? Minus equal to, that's x minus is equal to y, which is also similar to x is equal to x minus y, same as your algebraic expressions. And we have times equal to x times equal to y, x is equal to x times y is the same thing, and divided by equal to x divided by equal to y, or x is equal to x divided by y. Mod equal to x mod equal to y, x is equal to x mod y. Alright, so these are your assignment operators that you can play with in JavaScript. Okay, let's look at the addition equals to operator. Let me delete this code here. Alright, begin typing with me. I'm going to show you how you can use the plus equals to operator. Alright, open up the doctype tag, doctype HTML, and then say open up the HTML tag, and also open up the body tag, same as each time, and open up the h1 tag and say the plus equals to operator. Okay, that's what we're talking about right now, and close the h1 tag. Then I want you to open up another paragraph to initialize the ID, which is equal to demo. Alright, and open up the paragraph tag and close the paragraph tag. Alright, then open up the script tag, and within the script tag I want you to declare the variable x is equal to 10. Okay, end of statement. Then you need to say x plus equals to 5. End of statement. Okay, then document dot get element by id demo dot inner HTML equals to X, and then we close the script tag, and we also close the body tag, and finally we close the HTML tag. Okay, all right, I want to save this as operators 3, and I also want to save this as an HTML file .html, and let's find it in my folder. There you go. The plus equals to operator, the answer is 15. Remember what I said here, the plus equals to operator means nothing but plus equals to is equal to x plus is equal to y, which means x is equal to x plus y. And in this example here, you have x is equal to 10 and x plus is equal to 5, which means x is equal to x plus 5. Okay, x plus 10. All right, x is equal to x plus x, or the first value of x is 10. I'm sorry, where x is equal to 10, so x is equal to x plus 5, which is 10 plus 5. Okay, and you get this answer here, which is 15. Let's try one more example. Okay, this time the example that I'm going to show you is on strings. Let's see what happens when we use plus equals to on strings. Open up the tag and type doctype HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the h1 tag and say JavaScript operator. Okay, and you could say JavaScript operators 4 because it's the 4th program that we're working on in JavaScript operator series. Open up the paragraph tag, and within this tag say the plus operator concatenates or adds strings. Okay, let me show you how. Open up the paragraph tag, and within the paragraph tag initialize the ID and close this paragraph tag, please. Open up the script tag and var text 1 is equal to John, end of expression. Var text 2 is equal to Doe, end of expression. Document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to text 1 plus, okay, just like we did before with John Doe, we can do that with operators as well. And close the script tag, close the body tag, and finally close the HTML tag. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this as operators 4. Again, I'm going to save it as HTML file. .html, save, and just run the program. There you go. The plus operator concatenates or adds strings, and this is what it did, John Doe. If you look at the program, it added together text 1 plus space plus text 2. Text 1 John space Doe, and that's what you see here. Okay, What else is there? Okay, this is what I was explaining when I was trying to say concatenate. That's just one operator. JavaScript operator, just the plus. Let's use the plus equals to. Okay, and that also plus equals to also concatenate strings. For example, if you have John and Doe here, all you need to do is just have text2 plus, just add that. Okay, and then you need to print out just text1. Okay, so text1 is equal to John, and text1 again is equal to, just like we did x is equal to, remember we did x is equal to 10 and x plus equals to 5, which means x is equal to 10 plus 5, remember? So in the same way we have var text1 is equal to John, var text1 plus equals to Doe, and you're going to print out text1, and it should give you the same output again, okay, which is John Doe. Okay, let's try another example here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say text1 is equal to, just to explain this better, what a very, and add a space here please. Okay, remember there's a space between y and inverted commas. What a very, and instead of Doe here I want you to say var text plus equals to nice day. Okay, and close the expression. Document.get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to text1, and close the script tag. Okay, and I'm going to save this as operators 5. This is the 5th example that I'm using here, operators 5, and I'm going to save it as html dot html, and let's find operators 5. There you go. Okay, what a very nice day. So the assignment operator plus equals to can concatenate strings as well. All right. Okay, what if you have a situation in which you need to add strings and numbers together with the operator plus? Okay, how are you going to do that? You can use, remember we did this expression BR for a line break. That's exactly what we're going to use now. Let's begin this program. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the h1 tag and say JavaScript. Say JavaScript operators, and close the h1 tag, and open up the paragraph tag and say adding a number and a string returns a string. These are the rules that you need to remember. Okay, and open up another paragraph tag, and you know what that is for. That's for declaring the ID, which is demo, and the next line is script. Okay, begin writing script. Say var x is equal to 5 plus 5. Okay, then say var y is equal to 5. Remember, if you put inverted commas at the beginning, it will be, the rest of the statement is going to be treated like a string. We talked about that before. And var z is equal to hello plus 5, and document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to x plus, add a break, br, where comma is closed, plus y. Can you see this? There you go. Okay, remember those spaces don't matter. Plus z, end of expression. And let's close the script tag. Let's close the body tag. And let's close the HTML tag. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save it as operator 6, and also save it as HTML file. And let's try to run this program, operator 6. Look at this, adding a number and a string returns a string 10, 55, hello 5. Okay, the first expression here, if you look, it's x plus a line break. Okay, x is what? 5 plus 5, which is 10. Okay, and then you have 55 because var y is equal to 5, which is going to be written as it is, and 5 is going to be written as it is, 55. And then you have var z is equal to hello plus 5, so hello 5. And each of them appear on their own line, okay, because of the break. So 10, 55, hello 5. So this is how you can display x, y, z, and you can concatenate them with the a, and while they're concatenated, they're also separated by line breaks. Okay, I'm going to end this video here, and in the next video I'm going to talk about JavaScript comparison operators. Okay, when you compare between two numbers, and a lot of logic in that. So let's make sure that you are well versed with what we have done up so far. It's going to get progressively a little bit challenging. So up next we're going to talk about JavaScript comparison operators, and I'll see you then.